The first step in techno drawing is setting up your drawing board, allowing you to be able to use different size drawing papers and drawing tools efficiently. So the two size papers we're going to be using is a B size backing sheet and an A size drawing paper. So before we set up the B size sheet, recognize either the right or left side of the drawing board there's a steel edge, and that steel edge is meant for the T-square to travel up and down and keeping a 180 degree plane. So you're always checking that as you're drawing. And what happens with the T-square, it allows you to use other drawing tools to create specific angles, vertical, horizontal, different angles based on what the triangles give you or the protractor. So the first thing we're going to do is set up a backing sheet. And again, you're probably going to change this out many times because what happens when you set up an A size, you're always drawing over your page, and some of the pencil lines go outside of the A size onto the backing sheet. So the first thing we're going to do, you can see how the page is not lined up. We're going to use the T-square to make sure the backing sheet is lined up perfectly 180 degrees, aligned with the T-square, and we're just going to tape down each corner. I start with one corner, and then I'll double check with the T-square to make sure it's lined up. So you want to see a consistent line following the T-square, and then go ahead and tape the other three corners. And that's about it. Still important to line it up with the T-square. What we're going to do is we're going to create a reference line with the T-square, and that's how we're going to set up our A-size drawing sheet. And that's the next thing I'm going to show you. So the A-size we can set up either portrait or landscape. For most of our drawings, we're setting it up landscape. I'm going to take the mechanical drawing pencil and I'm going to create a reference line across the backing sheet, and that's going to help line up the A-size drawing paper. And I'm just going to follow that reference line, and that's going to give me perfect 0, 180, 90, 270 angles on the sheet. And the same thing, I'm going to take a little bit of tape. I'm going to tape one corner at a time, check it with the T-square, and again, making sure the T-square is traveling along that steel edge of the drawing board. And once you've double checked everything, go ahead and tape the remaining three corners. Try not to use too much tape because some of the glue will get caught up on the T-square, things will get smudged, or if it's too much tape, the T-square will pull that tape up with the page. That is setting up your drawing board. As you do a few A-size drawings, you're welcome to retape backing sheets if it gets a lot of pencil marks and smudges. Good luck.